Welcome to
You Got Stoiched!
Hi, I'm Maximilian Max. Tonight, 3 contestants will face off to become the first ever champion of You Got Stoiched. Let's meet the contestants. First off, we have Wanda from middle of nowhere, Arkansas. What made you want to come to the show?
Well, the only reason I came on this show was to see you, Max.
Okay then, creep. Moving on to Millie from Massachusetts. What made you want to join us today?
I go to Harvard University and I love chemistry. Love it.
Okay then, and our final contestant is Jesse from Whitewater, Wisconsin. And Jesse, why did you come to the show today?
It's my community service. I kind of blew up the school pool with stolen sodium from my chem class.
Alright, we have an interesting mix of contestants today, so let's get started. The objective of You Got Stoiched is to balance equations, perform stoichiometry, understand limiting reactants, calculate theoretical and percent yield, and use stoichiometry to analyze mixed compounds or determine the formula of a compound.
I love you, Maxie. You're my favorite host ever.
I'm ready. Bring on the questions.
First question, for 100 points. Balance this equation. Magnesium and oxygen reacts to form magnesium oxide.
Those are such big words. How do you know how to pronounce them, handsome? I got the right answer.
Wanda, not quite. And Jesse, life sucks, and so does your answer.
2Mg plus O2 goes 2Mg out. It's pretty simple. Just make sure the charge and atoms on both sides of the equation balance out.
Excellent job, Millie. At least we have some intelligence on this show. Next question for 300 points. Balance this equation. Aluminum chloride reacts with silver nitrate.
Over here, Maxie.
Once again, not quite, Wanda. And Jesse has no answer. Mia?
Aluminum chloride plus 3 silver nitrate makes aluminum nitrate and 3 AgCl.
Nice. Millie now has 400 points and Jesse and Wanda 0. Now to the best round. Stoichiometry. For 600 points. If glucose reacts with oxygen to give CO2 and H2O, then what mass in grams is required to complete a reaction of 25 grams of glucose? Wanda?
This is for you, Maxie. I love you.
That's not right, Wanda. And again, you creep me out. Jesse? Well, Jesse's sleeping, so no answer for Jesse. Millie? And Millie gets the correct answer again. Can we have a camera zoom in on her beautiful work? Great. Now to the next question for 1,200 points. What is it called when the amount determines or limits the amount of product formed? Let's just go straight to Millie.
Limiting reactant.
Nice job. Okay, and now that we have what a limiting reactant is, let's try a problem. What is the limiting reactant when sulfur and chlorine gas react to form disulfur dichloride? Millie?
Sulfur for sure.
Maxie, are you ignoring me?
Okay. To the next round for 100 points. How do you find the percent yield? Anyone but Millie. That's good enough. Great job, Jesse. Now for 1,700 points. If you have 6.26 grams of aspirin obtained and 18.7 grams expected, what is the percent yield?
33.5%.
What you do is you just take them off.
And now to our next question, for 1,000,000 points, and the final question of the evening. A mixture of CuSO4 and CuSO4 times 5H2O has a mass of 1.245 grams.
1,000,000 points? Can it be Maximilian?
No. And all you've been doing this entire game show is creeping me out. If you don't shut up, I'm going to take a thermometer and stab you in the heart.
My chemistry teacher threatened to do that to a kid once, so then I beat him up. And they gave me 10 more hours community service.
Anyways, so after heating, to drive off all the water, the mass is only 0.832 grams. What is the mass percent of CuSO4 times 5H2O in the mixture? Millie, help please.
Honestly, these two are kind of a joke, but the answer is 91.9%.
Well, congratulations, Millie. You just won the game show.
Yeah!
And as a prize, you just won a year-long supply of 7-Eleven Slurpees.
Woo! I love Slurpees!
And if you want to ditch your chem class to redeem them, then you can. It's in the rules. As for you, Jesse and Wanda, you are the major losers, so you just got stoiched.
Well, that's another 10 hours.
You can stoic me anytime, Maxie.
This has been a Chem USA production. Join us next time on Thursday at 3:14 Central. Hopefully the producers will pick smarter and less creepy contestants. Stay classy.
I love you, Maxie.
Security!